Good morning students. Today we are going to begin with chapter number 6, that is stress management and its techniques. So children, before we discuss the topic stress management, first of all I want that you should understand what are the causes of stress. Life is a chain of events which is marked by pain. Means in every stage of life we are going to face pain, we are also going to face anxiety, as well as we are going to meet the unmet expectations. Unmet expectations means the expectations which you have not at all assumed that will come to your life. Failures, fear and anticipation of loss. The endless greed for materialistic pleasures. I hope now here materialistic pleasures means all of you know. Materialistic pleasures means what all the things which provide pleasure to us in our day-to-day life. What all are the instruments or what all are the things which you want to get pleasure, that is known as materialistic pleasures. For example, we need luxury items, they all comes under materialistic pleasure. Achieve our goals, pressure from the society, or we have sometimes bitter past experiences. Bitter past experiences means in our past we have faced very bad situations, that is known as bitter past experience. So all these things create a chaotic atmosphere in our lives. So which all leads to a state of emotional disturbance that is widely known as stress. I hope now the word stress is very much clear to you. Now let us see. It can be viewed as a disease. Stress क्या होता है? It is viewed as a disease which afflicts the people of all age groups. Yeah, all the age groups means adolescents, youth and the elderly people. It often leads to addiction. Means when you are in the stress, what will happen? You will lead to addiction. Addiction means any sort of anything which you are addicted, which is not good for your health. Also you will face loneliness and antisocial mannerisms, which will give rise to various ailments. Means उसके वजह से बहुत सारे ailments हो सकते हैं, जैसे कि headache हो गया, nausea, degeneration of cognitive abilities. Now here students, you must be wondering what is the meaning of degeneration of cognitive abilities. So listen properly. Degeneration of cognitive abilities means it is one such condition where a person is having trouble in remembering the things. मतलब लोग चीज़ों को याद रखना भूल जाते हैं. Also in this situation the people have trouble in remembering the things as well as learning the new things, then making decisions, okay, then having having confidence in their day-to-day life. This is the meaning of degeneration of cognitive abilities and heart-related problems. Fine. So stress can be defined as what? Stress can be defined as a reaction to any external stimuli that triggers changes in one's personality. Stress causes agents are known as what? Stressors, which can be self-induced or external. Self-causing agents are known as what? Stressors. And how they will come to your body? They will either be self-induced or it will be external. Now some factors that can contribute to stress are, means how you will get stress. Let us see. Threat, then dangerous situations, irrational demands. Suppose there are irrational demands upon you, that will also bring you under stress. Societal or peer pressure, unrealistic goals, then expectations. Sometimes your colleagues, your superiors, when you are working somewhere, you have a good target in your office job, or you are means people are expecting a lot from you, or you have bad experiences, as well as you also suffer from financial loss and discrimination. So all these are what? These are the factors that contribute to stress. Every person goes through a stressful phase. There is hence a need to manage stress in order to live a healthy life. Now see children, this line is very important for you. In our everyday life, at any phase or at any stage of life, you have to face what? Stress. So here you need to understand that how you have to manage the stress to live a healthy life. One needs to identify the stressors. सबसे पहले क्या करना है? आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि स्ट्रेसर्स क्या होते हैं. वो स्ट्रेसर्स जो डायरेक्टली आपके ऊपर एडवर्स इफेक्ट करते हैं, आपके फिजिकल, आपके इमोशनल या फिर आपके बिहेवियर और या फिर आपके मेंटल हेल्थ ऑफ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. So first of all you have to see that. Then stress does not always have a negative impact on us. Always you should remember कि stress का हमेशा कोई negative impact नहीं होता है. It can sometimes be useful and help us to accomplish great things. For example, some changes are difficult to face and cause stress. ठीक है, and yet they help us to push our limits. Okay, so this is known as eustress. अब eustress का मतलब क्या होता है? See, eustress means such stress in which you enjoy. Okay, such stress where you get pleasure. अब तुम लोग सोचोगे कि मैम ऐसा कौन सा स्ट्रेस है where we get pleasure. See, take an example. Suppose you are having a roller coaster ride. Okay, that means you are enjoying the stress. Then you are watching a scary movie. That is also you are enjoying the stress. That type of stress is known as what? Eustress. What happens with this eustress? It provides us with energy. Eustress से हमें energy मिलती है और motivation मिलता है so that you can achieve your goals. Just look at this example. Suppose a child took a test and performed well. Okay. To achieve this result, he might have planned his schedule, prioritized his activities, set up a daily routine, etc. All these things you are also doing, no? Whenever there are exams times, you are performing well, you are planning hard, you are making lot of activities and you plan a daily routine. So the situation was a bit stressful. Definitely during exam time, you people also come under stress. But the child managed to reduce the effects of stress by planning well. How can you manage to reduce the effects? By proper planning. So levels of stress vary according to an individual's way of perceiving. Stress के जो level है वो हर individual के लिए अलग अलग होता है. ठीक है. Each person responds to various situations differently. In your day-to-day life, every person is facing with the stress, but every person knows how to face or how to respond to that stress differently. ऐसा नहीं है कि सब लोग stress को लेके एकदम negative हो जाते. Many people responded differently. Have you ever noticed that some people tend to get easily stressed about an event or a result, while others appear less concerned? You might have seen during exams time, there are some children very easily they take stress. Why? Because they don't want to study. They have not made any planning. On the contrary, there are some children, they can overcome this stress. How they can overcome? They can appear less concerned. They don't take any tension for the exams. Why? Because they have made proper planning. They have made a daily routine. So they can overcome this stress very well. And you have to follow that routine. Now, next example. Just look at this another example. See. 3 students scored poor grades in a test. ठीक है? There were 3 students. उनका score क्या था? They were having a poor grade in the test. Now all the 3 might respond differently to the situation. One of them might have a carefree attitude. The other might be little disappointed, and the third one might feel frightened by his result. He may blame himself and find it difficult to cope up with the situation. Now what you have to note over here, the stress levels were not the same for all the 3 students. तीनों भी बच्चों के लिए जो स्ट्रेस लेवल था वो एकदम डिफरेंट था. और जो थर्ड स्टूडेंट है, ही माइट हैव फेस सम हेल्थ इशू. ठीक है, उसको कोई हेल्थ इशू भी हो गया. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ हिज इमोशनल अप्रोच. फॉर द सेक ऑफ ओवरऑल वेलबींग, it is necessary to manage the negative emotions in a manner that does not lead to a decline in one's abilities or biological functionalities. Now let us see the meaning of stress management. Stress management means what? It refers to a wide range of techniques that enable a person to cope up with psychological stress effectively. It covers all the tools and mechanisms that alleviate chronic stress, which would otherwise prove to be a lethal disease. It includes the pool of techniques that assist individuals in eradicating anxiety and negative thoughts and work on their well-being. Now, what is the importance of this stress management? At a time when cutthroat competition has been an unavoidable part of everyone's life, one has to continue learning and practicing stress management techniques to survive and thrive. Okay, so stress management allows a person to react positively in stressful situation. Okay, it provides ways to measure the different levels of stress so that the inflicted person can resort to self-help or seek help from a professional. It helps to identify distinct stressors. Now stressors are you have understood the meaning, which can either be good or bad. They can be self-induced or be triggered due to external situations. They can be categorized as positive stressor, dangerous stressor matlab which leads to stressful situations, and irrelevant stressor. After successfully recognizing the stresses, stress management provides practical measures to target those stressors. It infuses a sense of control and accomplishment. It equips you with the ability to handle any situation effectively. It helps to bring about a healthy change in one's perception of events, people, or situations. Stress management helps to bridge the gap between the available resources and the unrealistic demands surrounding them. Stress management also enhances the psychology of a person. It boosts his immune system and makes him healthy. It emphasizes on a balanced diet, sound sleep, and exercise. Thus, it helps in bringing a positive change in the outlook and lifestyle of a person. Now, next topic is stress management techniques. This stress management techniques I am going to continue in the next video. Till then, take care and please understand this stress management techniques very carefully, children. This will definitely help you in your overall life future. So, please understand, and you should take it very positively. You should understand how to overcome the stress. All these things are very important for you to understand. Okay, goodbye and take care of yourself.